Okay, look like this. Okay. Okay, you're holding my cell phone. I record now. Move your finger. Okay, I go inside to open.
Okay.
Like this one. Okay. Open it. Okay. So now waiting. Let's see how to turn. Put the block way inside. Okay. Turn like this way. Open to top out. Your block. Thick.
You too. Have a good long
Okay.
weekend.
Now.
It's recording now.
Yeah, recording now. Okay. Take out this small thing. This light bulb and this one go inside. Okay. And this one go in. Turn back here like this way. Okay. Now you can record here. Now go to the front, punch in the brake.
Alex, it's you. What are you doing? Let me.
Yeah, working now. Yeah,
Works.
well, working. Good. Okay, exactly show my hand to how to put inside. Okay, now go to punching the brake. Yeah, working now. Yeah.
That's good.